Did you know that something as innocent as a glass of water before bed could be sabotaging your nights and slowly deteriorating your health? Millions of people over the age of 60 wake up every single night without understanding why. What seems like a simple nuisance, getting up to go to the bathroom, tossing and turning in bed, staring at the clock in frustration, is actually a silent thief of energy, hormonal balance, and quality of life. Throughout my career as a urologist, with more than 25 years of experience working with older adults, I have seen how nighttime insomnia goes far beyond a bad habit. It becomes an invisible barrier that affects memory, mood, mobility, and independence. I'm Dr. Nicolas Olea, and I want to share something with you that very few doctors explain clearly. The problem isn't that you drink at night, it's what you choose to drink. I've worked with hundreds of patients who thought they were doing the right thing by hydrating before bed, when in reality they were sending the wrong signal to their bodies. But when they replaced that glass of water with the right beverage, their rest and their lives began to transform. Today, I want to share with you 5 nighttime drinks that not only hydrate, but also calm the nervous system, reduce frequent awakenings, and activate natural regeneration processes while you sleep. Pay close attention, because the last drink on this list is so powerful that many of my patients call it the potion for waking up refreshed, a natural elixir that could be the key to regaining those deep, restorative nights of sleep you've been missing. If you're ready to start sleeping better this very week, join me. Let's get straight to the point. Now, let's go through these 5 nighttime drinks one by one, drinks that can make the difference between a restless night and deep restorative sleep. Drink number 1. Warm, unsweetened almond milk. It relaxes the nervous system and promotes the natural production of melatonin. In my experience as a urologist, I've seen many older adults give up milk at night because it causes bloating or digestive discomfort. What few people know is that there's an alternative just as comforting but much gentler on the body. Warm, unsweetened almond milk. This beverage, when consumed at the right time, it can become a true ally for better sleep. It not only hydrates gently without overloading the bladder, but also contains 2 key compounds for rest: magnesium and tryptophan. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant for the nervous system. Imagine it as slowly turning off the mental noise of the day, helping the mind to calm down and the muscles to loosen up. This physiological transition is essential for entering a state of drowsiness effortlessly and without tension. Tryptophan, on the other hand, is an essential amino acid that our body first transforms into serotonin, the neurotransmitter of calm and well-being, and then into melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep cycle. As we age, our natural production of melatonin decreases, so promoting this conversion from natural sources like tryptophan is a key strategy for sleeping better without resorting to medication. In addition to its relaxing effect, unsweetened almond milk is low in calories, does not raise blood glucose levels, crucial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes, and is lactose-free, making it a safe and easily digestible option for nighttime. It is a light drink that nourishes without creating heaviness or discomfort, supporting a calm intestinal transit and an uninterrupted night. To prepare it properly, simply heat between 120 and 150 milliliters without bringing it to a boil. You can add a pinch of cinnamon to enhance its relaxing effect and give it a comforting flavor. The ideal time to drink it is between 60 and 90 minutes before bed, in a quiet environment, as part of a small nighttime ritual. This moment of pause and self-care also helps the body associate this action with the beginning of rest. Do not underestimate the power of simplicity. Sometimes the most effective solutions are neither the most complex nor the most expensive. A well-prepared cup of almond milk can be that small change your body has been waiting for to help you sleep like before. Drink number 2, chamomile tea. It calms the restless mind and reduces nighttime anxiety. Many of my patients do not wake up at night because of their bladder or body, but because of their mind, a mind that won't switch off, that replays worries, memories, or unfinished tasks just when it should be resting. In these cases, one of the most powerful and natural tools I recommend is chamomile tea. Chamomile is an ancient medicinal plant known for its calming effects. Beyond popular knowledge, modern science has identified the key compound behind chamomile's power: apigenin. This substance binds to the same brain receptors as anxiolytic medications, but without side effects or dependency. By activating these receptors, apigenin helps reduce the excitability of the central nervous system, slows the heart rate, and facilitates the transition into a state of deep, natural rest. A study conducted with older women showed that those who drank chamomile tea before bed fell asleep faster, woke up less frequently during the night, and reported a better sense of rest the next day. This confirms what I have observed in my practice. A simple habit, such as a cup of tea, taken consistently and at the right time, can have a real and lasting impact on quality of life. To prepare this drink correctly, steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Then let it cool to a pleasant temperature and drink it slowly, about 45 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Avoid adding sugar or honey, especially if you are controlling your blood glucose levels. The mild floral flavor of chamomile needs nothing else. It's a warm embrace in the form of a drink. The most important thing about this infusion is that it doesn't force the body to sleep like a pill would. Instead, it gently signals that it is safe to relax, that it's time to slow down. This soft yet firm message is essential for those with active minds who need a clear signal to disconnect from the outside world. Drinking chamomile tea before bed is more than just a tradition. It's an effective, affordable, and accessible strategy to improve your sleep, and with it, your overall well-being. If you make it part of your nighttime routine, you'll notice how your body and mind relearn to trust the natural rhythm of sleep. Drink number 3, warm coconut water. It balances electrolytes and reduces awakenings caused by cramps or urinary urgency. Not all nighttime awakenings are due to the mind or poor sleeping posture. In many older adults, the problem is more physical: leg cramps, muscle spasms, or an urgent need to use the bathroom. These symptoms, which may seem isolated, are often related to an imbalance in electrolyte levels, especially potassium and magnesium. This is where warm coconut water comes into play as a surprising and effective solution. Fresh coconut water is a natural source of potassium, magnesium, and sodium, 3 essential minerals that regulate cellular hydration, muscle function, and nerve communication. When these levels are low, even slightly, the body may respond with discomfort at night, such as involuntary contractions or bladder pressure. In my practice, I have seen how incorporating coconut water into a controlled nighttime routine has significantly reduced these symptoms in patients over 60. Interestingly, when taken warm and in small amounts, coconut water does not act as a diuretic, unlike many other nighttime drinks. Instead, it works as a gentle regulator, helping keep muscles relaxed, stabilizing nerve signaling, and improving bladder function. This translates into fewer trips to the bathroom at night and more continuous sleep. A clinical study found that older adults with lower potassium levels experienced more sleep interruptions due to nighttime urination. By restoring their levels through proper, mineral-rich hydration, their quality of rest improved notably in just 1 week. This reminds us that often the body doesn't need medication, it needs balanced minerals. To enjoy its benefits without unwanted effects, I recommend mixing fresh coconut water with warm water in a 1-to-1 ratio. It should not be cold or consumed right before bed. Ideally, drink about 100 to 120 milliliters, approximately 1 hour after dinner, and at least 1 hour before going to bed. This way, the body has time to absorb the minerals without creating unnecessary bladder pressure. Warm coconut water is a nutritious, natural, and well-tolerated option that many people overlook. Yet it's actually a valuable tool for those seeking to restore internal balance and enjoy quieter nights, free from bothersome interruptions. Drink number 4, golden milk, turmeric latte. It reduces cortisol and helps the body enter rest mode. Many patients tell me, "Doctor, I'm not stressed, but I simply can't sleep." What many don't realize is that the body can remain in a state of alert, even if you don't feel anxious. The silent culprit is often cortisol, the stress hormone, which, when elevated at night, prevents the brain from producing melatonin and entering a deep rest state. For these cases, golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is one of the most effective natural remedies I recommend. The base of this drink is turmeric, an ancient spice with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and, most importantly in this context, regulating properties for the HPA axis, the system that connects the brain with the adrenal glands responsible for producing cortisol. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps reduce cortisol levels, decreases overstimulation of the nervous system, and promotes the production of slow brain waves associated with deep sleep. But for curcumin to be properly absorbed by the body, it needs an essential ally, black pepper. This spice activates an intestinal enzyme that can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. That's why I always recommend preparing golden milk with both ingredients, combined with a base of warm plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk, which enhances its calming effect. Golden milk not only promotes sleep, but also relieves joint pain, relaxes muscles, and improves nighttime digestion. Many of my patients, especially those dealing with morning stiffness or chronic inflammation, report a significant change after incorporating this drink into their nightly routine. Most importantly, it doesn't induce artificial drowsiness. It supports the body's natural process of winding down. To prepare it, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a small pinch of black pepper into about 150 milliliters of warm plant-based milk. You can add a touch of cinnamon or ginger to enhance the flavor. Drink this mixture slowly, about 60 to 90 minutes before bed, in a calm environment. This ritual not only nourishes the body, but also sends a clear message to the brain. It's time to rest. Incorporating golden milk into your nights is a smart and delicious way to help your body release tension, slow down, and gently enter the sleep you so desperately need. Drink number 5, gelatin or bone broth. It promotes deep sleep and supports muscle recovery while you rest. After the age of 60, the body needs more time and more support to repair itself during the night. Many older adults tell me that even after sleeping several hours, they wake up feeling stiff, feeling mentally foggy. In these cases, one of the best natural strategies I recommend is incorporating a glycine-rich source before bedtime. A simple and effective way to do this is through plain gelatin or warm bone broth. Glycine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in the central nervous system. Clinical studies have shown that it helps lower core body temperature, slow down the heart rate, and increase slow brain waves, exactly the conditions needed for achieving deep, uninterrupted, and truly restorative sleep. But what's most fascinating is that, unlike other supplements, glycine does not force the body to sleep. Instead, it naturally facilitates entry into that state. In a study published in a prestigious neuropsychopharmacology journal, researchers found that just 3 grams of glycine before bed helped older adults fall asleep faster, wake up less frequently during the night, and feel noticeably clearer and more refreshed upon waking. This reinforces what I always tell my patients. Good sleep doesn't just depend on the clock, it also depends on the right nutrients. Plain gelatin is a direct source of glycine, collagen, and other essential amino acids for muscle and joint regeneration. It is particularly helpful for people with chronic pain, inflammation, or accumulated fatigue. Bone broth is even more complete. In addition to glycine, it contains proline, minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and compounds that support gut health. Another key factor in its effectiveness is the warmth and texture of these drinks. A small bowl of warm gelatin or a cup of bone broth before bed can create a soothing sensation, signaling the body that it is safe to relax. For best results, consume about 100 to 150 milliliters of bone broth or a small portion of plain gelatin around 60 minutes before going to bed. By making this simple addition to your evening routine, you're not only supporting your sleep quality, but also promoting muscle recovery, joint health, and overall well-being during the night. Preparing these drinks is simple. If you choose gelatin, dissolve 1 teaspoon in about 120 milliliters of warm water and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. If you prefer bone broth, opt for a low-sodium version, heat it gently without boiling, and enjoy it as a light nighttime soup. The key is that the drink should be low in volume, but rich in nutrients to avoid putting pressure on the bladder and to ensure optimal absorption. Throughout my career, I've seen how this small nighttime habit has transformed the way many older adults sleep and feel the next day. It's not magic, it's applied physiology. Good sleep is more than just rest. It's about repairing, regenerating, and renewing. Sleeping well after 60 shouldn't be a luxury or an exception. On the contrary, it's a biological necessity and a right that impacts every aspect of your life, your energy, mood, mental clarity, and independence. Over the course of this journey, I've shared with you 5 nighttime drinks that go beyond simple hydration. Each serves a specific function: calming the nervous system, balancing minerals, reducing stress, supporting muscle regeneration, or activating sleep hormones. Warm, unsweetened almond milk helps you ease into rest gently. Chamomile tea works on the restless mind and mild anxiety. Warm coconut water is ideal if your nights are disrupted by cramps or urinary urgency. Golden milk directly addresses cortisol, the hormone that silently sabotages your sleep. And gelatin or bone broth is the grand finale, nourishing your body so that while you sleep, it can recover and strengthen itself. Now that you know these tools, my recommendation as a doctor is to try them with attention and patience. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with one drink, incorporate it for a week, observe how your body responds, and adjust based on your experience. Every body is unique, and what matters most is finding what works best for you. Remember, it's not about stopping drinking before bed, but about choosing wisely what you drink, how, and when. Planning for your nighttime well-being is a direct investment in your daily quality of life. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need it too. Sometimes, a simple cup can make a big difference. And if you want to keep learning about how to care for your body and mind after 60, I invite you to stay with me.